Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I don't take you for granted. I appreciate for always taking your time to come back and watch my videos. Ladies and gentlemen, on Friday, June 27, 2025, the men 100 meters final brought a lot of excitement during the Jamaican National Trials that was held at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Kishane Thompson, who won the silver at the Paris 2024 Olympics, but he was supposed to be awarded gold medal. He proved his dominance again by winning this race at a time of 9.75 seconds, earning his second national title. Oblique Seville came in second with 9.83 seconds, and Akim Blake followed in third position at a time of 9.88 seconds. Generally, Jamaica's top sprinters, both in men and the ladies, gave the crowd plenty to cheer about during an emotional and exciting night. The veteran sprint queen Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce, likely competing in her last national championships, finished third in the women's 100 meters final. Although she didn't win, the home crowd gave her a hero's welcome for her long and successful career. She was grateful for the overwhelming support and tried to stay focused during the race. The women's 100 meters was won by Tina Clayton, who ran a fast of 10.81 seconds, holding off strong finishes from Sherika Jackson with a time of 10.80 seconds and Fraser-Pryce, who came third with 10.91. Tia Clayton, the twin sister of Tina, was running well before she got an injury, forcing her to stop. One of the fastest ladies on planet currently alive, she didn't register for the race. That is Elaine Thompson-Hera. Many of her fans wish that she could have participated. Also, one of the legends in the sprint, that is Kishane Thompson, has really done a good thing, and as you have seen, the way he has executed the race. Immediately after executing the race, he ran straight forward. I think he was looking for his coach and maybe his mom. This is a replica of what he did during the last year Jamaica National Trials men final. Immediately after shattering the national or his personal best, he had to run all the way. He didn't even make a stop for pictures or whatever. He just ran all the way to, I think he was looking for his coach. Now, he's having a lifetime best because last year he got his previous personal best was 9.77 seconds, and this year is a run of 9.75. He has scrubbed it down to a blistering 9.755. That is, he has added plus 0.8 meters per second, tying with Johan Blake. We're having a national stadium record. Johan Blake, the national stadium record that was set in 2012. Looking at his progression through the rounds, he was running as if he was jogging through the prelims and the semis. At one point, he got a speed of 10.12. This made him to get to the final. Because the way he was running, you could see that he was jogging, he was not putting in a lot of strength, especially finishing. Now, his time of 9.75 places him among the 6th fastest performance in 100 meters globally. This matters a lot because not only did or has Thompson defended his national title, because in last year 9.77, this year is 9.75. He has also etched his name deeper in sprinting history, claiming the crown with a new personal best and world-leading time. Congratulations to Kishane Thompson, and to all the athletes, both women and men, the likes of Akim Blake, even Johan Blake. At this point, because Johan Blake, despite not making it on the final list, he is a legend because he is currently the holder of the second fastest time, 9.69. And Elaine Thompson, irrespective of not showing up, we say congratulations, because Jamaica is small, but they talawa. Jamaica is small, but we talawa. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do me the favor of subscribing, liking this video, and leaving your sweet comment. Until next time, God's blessings. At this point, you can see the cameraman running across the field just to get the picture of Kishane Thompson. He couldn't afford to miss this sweet moment of taking the picture of Kishane Thompson. There it is. Keep playing.